Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Happy to connect with you again in my new video. Human birth is said to be magnificent, and of course we are all lucky to be born as humans because we have special IQ, high level of perception and wisdom. We can use this IQ to study the concept right from amoeba to that of dinosaur. Talking about dinosaur, I would like to say two things. These dinosaurs are very unique animals because they have two brains, one on the head and one on the tail. The head brain will give a command to move forward, whereas the tail brain will give a command to move backward. So these dinosaurs will be always in a confused state, and these are called as foolish animals also. So there's no use of two brains, it is how we make use of it that really matters. In that way, we humans are really blessed. Let me tell you, right from the period of Adam and Eve, we are prone to commit sins. Human kind is cursed and we are prone to commit sins. But one special thing which is given to us is our brain, how to use it to level of perception and attain that eternity. It is very, very important because we are not living our life to the brim of humanity. There's a lot of confusions and chagos. Let me divide the human race into two. I am not dividing it on the basis of racism or caste or nationality. It is just in the way of your attitude or the level of perception you have or how you contribute yourself to the society. So one is the empaths, another is the narcissist. So let me explain to you who these empaths are. Empaths are highly sensitive people. These people can sense a person's emotions and feelings. They can personalize even their emotions and feelings of others. So these are the welcome group of people. Unfortunately, only 1 to 2% of the population now are empaths. The empaths have special qualities, that is highly sensitive, strong intuition, they will be problem solving people, they care for others, and thing is they like to solve everything in a very easy manner. They put themselves in other person's place and try to solve things. So they are the most welcome group. I would also like to quote a few names who are very good empaths. First one is Larry King, then Mel Gibson, then Nicole Kidman. All these are famous empaths. Then some people are born under special zodiac signs. Mostly they will be empaths like Pisces, then what is it, Scorpion and Cancer. These born under these signs, the people will be said to be empaths because they have a very good temperament. They can sense everything, the sounds, the touch, the feelings, everything. They'll be in a very extra perceptional way. So these empaths is what they have come in genetic itself. So I'm happy to say these empaths is fulfilling the world. They are doing the duty of the creator. They are standing next to the creator. And if you are an empath or if you see anybody in your surrounding as an empath, be very grateful or be proud of yourself because the world very much needs such people nowadays. Then the opposite version of empaths, that is the dark side of these empaths. Like if you are an angel, you should know about the devils also, no? So if you want to know the value of light, you should know the value of darkness also. So these people are said to be narcissists. So let me tell you who these narcissists are. They are said to be people with severe personality disorder. They give more importance to themselves, they value others less, and they sometimes prone to be dangerous also. So let me tell about the qualities of these narcissists. Thing is, they will always live in fantasy, first thing. Next thing is self-centered, they give more importance to themselves. Next thing, they'll try to exploit others irrespective of shame or guilt. And next thing, they'll have a sense of entitlement. All these qualities are prone to narcissist. So how to deal with this narcissist means, just by observing them you can see, because they don't have soul, they'll try to kill your soul. They'll be very abusive and they'll try to hurt others purposely, intently, and they will never apologize for their mistakes. And most probably they will convince you with their lies, because they will kill you with their lies, because they know they cannot be surviving with their truth. So these are some aspects what the narcissists carry, and there are 4 type of narcissists. First one is said to be grandiose. These people, what they do is, I am better than you and I know that. That will be the statement of these kind of people. Next thing is malignant, because they will be ready to do anything, go to that extreme for getting what they want. Third is coward. Coward is, they say they are good in everything, but the world has failed to recognize them. Like a painter saying, so I am a good painter, but the world has not recognized me. Last is communal. They will change the rules and regulations according to their wills and means. So when you are very careful with these narcissists, you can at least be peaceful in whatever way you are living your life, because they will prove dangerous. First is they will take the peace of mind, because you have come to this world with a very good personality, and that is a asset for you. So they will slowly drain away this asset from you, and they will convince you you are like this, and their version of yours is abrupt, correct, and you will start believing them also. So what you have to do is, suppose you are in a relationship and your partner is a narcissist, means definitely you should be aware of these facts. I will tell you. First thing is, don't give them next chance, don't forgive them, then try to be away from them as much as possible, then track all the devices, because they may have trackers. And the next thing is, don't believe their lies, because mostly they'll be flattering you. And why I'm saying is, at the end of the thing, they'll be a victim, they'll prove to be a victim in many scenarios. They wanted to create the attention of the society or sympathy, so they'll prove to be a victim, putting all the blame on you. So you should be appropriately very careful when dealing with these type of narcissists. And these actually become the major group of the society. Some knowingly they do it, some unknowingly become narcissist. And thing is, they don't seek love, but they seek the benefits what comes along with love. And to explain to you in a very small manner, very clearly, I can say these people needs what to say, the power will be given to them, but they don't like to take responsibility. Then they should be needed, but they should not be singled out. They like to be alone, but they should not be abandoned. They should get everything what they want, but they should not put in hard work. So every work of them will be contradictory. They will be opposite in words and actions. It will be totally contradictory. So you have to be very aware of these narcissists. As these narcissists are surrounding the world now, we have somehow trained them to just come to that level of empaths, if not at least a normal human being. So once if the society goes to this narcissism, what will happen is everybody will become self-centered, so no one will take care of another person. I am closing this video. Please place your comments, like, share and subscribe. Meeting you in the next video. Thank you. Signing off. Bye-bye.